Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 21st of April. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. I was at Valenti Farms yesterday. I picked up, what did I pick up? Oh, I picked up some primula. They had these really beautiful primula there, and I also picked up some lettuces. So if you get a chance, head over to Valenti Farms. They've been really great to me and this podcast, and there's plenty of early season color. I think you're going to be able to put out things like your geraniums and all that stuff in the next week or so. So continue to do that, and certainly cold weather crops can go in. Today we've got sunshine, temperature up near 50 degrees. Tonight we're down into the 30s. This morning, I covered up a bunch of stuff. I'll have to wait a few hours to see how it fared, but hopefully it's fine. I did lose some leaves on my banana plant yesterday. I think the plant's okay. Colder yesterday than I expected. I do have to admit that. Yesterday morning was colder than I thought it would be. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Temperatures down to the 30s. Tomorrow, cloudy, only near 50, maybe a sprinkle. And then Thursday and Friday are nice days, partly to mostly sunny, right up near 60. Right now, the weekend's looking okay. I don't think it's going to be super warm, but Saturday we're in the 50s. We have the wind coming in off the water, maybe 60s inland. And Sunday, mostly cloudy, maybe a little shower. We'll have to wait and see, but it doesn't look like any major thing. And we do need some rain across the area, but I don't see any big rain in sight. That's all I got for you this morning. Have a great day.